Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of these toggles, and one of those should be a power saving toggle. For me, it is located right over here, so once you see it, you can simply tap on it, and this will enable it, and that's it. That's how you can enable your power saving mode. You can also tap on the text and it will give you a quick overview of what will be changed. So background network usage, sync and location checking will be limited, and motion smoothness will be changed to standard, which is 60 Hz. Now, the most important part of this message will be the background network usage, which Samsung actually starts off with, which is pretty good. So what this refers to is your Wi-Fi and mobile network. And just to explain this a little bit further, what it implies is that when you don't use your device, it turns off both of these networks to preserve battery life. It might be reconnecting to it every so often, because it does say that it is limiting it, not actually like disabling it. So it could be reconnecting to it every like half an hour, maybe 10 minutes. Not exactly sure how often, it's not specified as you can see, but you will most likely experience that your notifications are being delivered to you a little bit later than they were actually being sent to you. So if you basically have a problem with this and experience this kind of thing, just know that to solve that you just need to turn off your power saving mode. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.